Hello students, now today we are going to learn history. But before that, we must know what the history is. The knowledge and information gathered by historian, it's called history. And a very simple definition of history is the study of past, it's called a history. Okay, now and our today's chapter name also study of past. Okay, now see that. There is a lot of curiosity related to the past. Curiosity. What is the meaning of curiosity? It means that to know something related to the past. What were the people like in the past? What people first like? What were their lifestyle, food, dresses, customs and traditions? Okay. What was his food, rituals and traditions? How was it all? This curiosity leads us to explore the past by studying it. Okay. Now, the study of past, it's called history. As I said before, the study of past, it's called a history. A person who study and write about the past, it's called a historian. A person who study and write, ऐसा पर्सन जो स्टडी करता है और लिखता है पास्ट के बारे में, it's called a historian. Okay, now for better understanding, history has been divided into prehistory, proto-history and history. History was divided into a better understanding. हमारी better understanding के लिए history को prehistory, proto-history, history में divide किया गया. Okay, now this was our introduction of our chapter. Now see, this is the topic, first topic of our why do we study the history. We study the history to know about the past. We read history to know about our past. 100,000 years ago, people were called hunter-gatherer since they hunted for food. 1,000 years ago, humans were called hunters. Why? Because they hunted for food. History study the changes from the time man were hunter-gatherer to the modern time where they have become producer. Okay, history tell us about the study of the changes of time and now humans have become a creator in modern times. हिस्ट्री स्टडी करता है उस समय के चेंजेस की जहाँ पहले लोग हंटिंग यानी शिकार करते थे, फिर वह मॉडर्न टाइम में ग्रुप बना के रहने लगे, देन नाउ दे हैव बिकम अ प्रोड्यूसर. ओके, नाउ इट ऑल्सो एनालाइज द डेवलपमेंट मेड बाय ह्यूमन्स थ्रू आउट द ईयर्स विथ टाइम एंड एक्सपीरियंस. दैट मीन्स बाय द डेवलपमेंट मेड बाय ह्यूमन्स इज एनालाइज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम, मीन्स टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली एनालाइज किया गया ह्यूमन्स ने किस तरीके से डेवलपमेंट किया. ओके, नाउ सी, हिस्ट्री टीच अस अबाउट द लीफ ऑफ मैन एज हंटर, फार्मर, मर्चेंट, रूलर्स, स्लेव, आर्टिस्ट एंड साइंटिस्ट. ओके, नाउ व्हाट गेम्स डिड चिल्ड्रंस प्ले इन द पास्ट? इन दैट टाइम व्हाट टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स चिल्ड्रंस प्ले? किस टाइप के बच्चे चिल्ड्रंस प्ले करते थे, गेम खेला करते थे पास्ट में? व्हाट स्टोरीज डिड दे हेयर? इन दैट टाइम पीपल यूज टू लिसन स्टोरीज. व्हाट अबाउट व्हाट मैनर? किस मैनर की, किस तरीके की स्टोरीज वो सुना करते थे? डिड दे हैव एनी टॉयज टू प्ले विथ? Does they have any toy to play in that period? History answer this question too. History इन सभी क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स भी देता है. Now, in short, when we study history, we study the social, political and administrative setup of different time. Okay, we study the different types of social and administrative system in the हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री स्टडी करता है कि डिफरेंट टाइम्स में सोशल, पॉलिटिकल और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सेटअप किस तरीके से हमने सीखा है, हमें कैसे समझ में आता है. We compare the present time with the past to know and understand the progress we have made or the downfall we have seen. Okay, downfall. What is the meaning of downfall? It's ruination. Okay, means tabahi. We compare the present time. Okay, means that we are compare the time of today to the past to know how much progress we have made and how much downfall. मीन्स कंपेयर करना कि प्रेजेंट टाइम्स में से पास्ट में, मतलब पास्ट से लेकर प्रेजेंट तक के हमने किस तरीके से प्रोग्रेस किया और क्या क्या तबाही फैलाई, इसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग हमें हिस्ट्री करवाता है. द स्टडी ऑफ पास्ट हेल्प अस टू करेक्ट आवर मिस्टेक एंड टेक बेटर डिसीजन. History teach us to improve our mistake and take a right decision. Okay, now this topic is completed. Okay, thank you so much.